In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to use the Parallax feature in Wix, a popular website building platform. Parallax is a clever visual technique that can add depth and dynamism to your website, making it more interactive and engaging. We'll start by identifying the element on your site you'd like to apply the parallax effect to. This could be any component you choose, like an image, a text box, or even a shape. The goal here is to give this element a feeling of depth and movement that will capture your site visitors' attention. Next, what you'll need to do is locate and click on the animate icon, visualized by a symbol resembling a lightning bolt. You should see this icon appear as part of the respective element's toolbar as soon as you select the element. Clicking on it will reveal a host of special effects and options. Moving on, navigate to the Scroll Effects section in the panel that appears. This section offers you a variety of scroll-related effects you can apply to your selected element. From these choices, you'll want to go with Parallax. The parallax effect, when linked to scrolling, makes your selected element move at a different speed than the rest of your page, making it pop off the screen in a very attention-grabbing manner. Once you have done that, you'll see an option to adjust animation or to customize if available. These features allow you to add your personal touch to the animation, control the speed of the parallax scroll effect, determine the direction it moves in, amongst other things. By adjusting or customizing the parallax effect, you can truly make it your own to suit the look and feel of your website. Finally, and this is an essential step, you need to hit Publish. This step will make your changes live. That is, it will apply the effects you've worked on to your website. As a result, all visitors to your site will be able to see the beautiful parallax effect you've just added. And there you have it. You have now successfully embedded a parallax effect onto your Wix website. But remember, the key to making the most out of it is to experiment, customize, and always keep your visitors' experience in mind. Your creativity is the only limit.